you please let me know how to make dosas?
Today, my mom is going to make me a dosa. She never did this before, but one time she did it and she forgot to even do it. Now, so I'm going to tell her how to do it. Ma, make sure to do the video super long because it's a long time.
Okay.
So first, we have to put dosa curry inside the dosa pan.
Okay.
Ma, you know how to put dosa curry in the dosa pan.
So I have to put dosa batter like this.
Yeah.
Is
And
it-
you have to like spread it around, but don't make it too big. But ma, and also put the oil beside it. Don't put the oil in the dosa.
Sorry, I have to put the oil aside.
Yes, not in the dosa.
Okay.
Or else it will.
Okay. Put some oil. I think now the dosa is cooked. Shall I remove it, baby?
No, but you first have to make it like that.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you have to put the sauce. Ma, you're putting it in the good side. You're putting it so good. It looks like a smiley.
Okay. You want me to do one more?
Yeah, because I want it four, not one.
You want me to spread it round
Yes, but
Or-
don't put the oil
in the
dosa.
center? I have to put it aside, right?
Yes, inside. Make sure that part.
Okay.
Ma, use that spoon to do it.
Okay, but I'm used to do like this.
Ma, kind of then the oil will come
It
to
will
the
spread.
dosa
Yeah.
and then it will be cooked.
Okay. So are you thinking, can I turn it?
Yeah, when you flip it, it will look like.
Okay, Shreem, what is the next step?
The next step is to turn it over.
Okay, shall I?
Yeah.
Just see whether I'm doing it properly or not.
Wait.
If you're having any
Good job.
if you're having any complaint, you can please get back to me
Okay.
with your advices.
If you're doing correct, I won't. But if you do bad, wow, you made it perfect. Just like the same one.
Okay.
Now turn it
Shall I
over.
remove?
I like
Okay,
it.
good, good.
Oh, you did it perfect, Ma.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh my God, what I did. Okay. Accidents happen and you have to consider that is a human error. Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of funny though.
Okay. So I'm making one more.
Yeah, you know I wanted 4. There's only 2 more to go with.
Okay. I'm just putting the batter. Then I'm just making.
Yeah, but make sure not to do it too big because
Now I have to put some oil.
yeah, and then be careful because you have to put it in the center.
Center or side?
Center.
Oh, you told me side first.
Center, I mean.
Okay. So how many marks you will give to my dosas? Is it okay?
I like it. I will make it as a 5-star.
Okay.
I will make
So
it as a
I
5-star.
want to flip the dosa now. Shall
Yeah,
I?
you
Okay.
should flip
Okay.
the
You
dosa.
don't want roasted one, right? I have to.
Not a crunchy one.
Okay. You don't like crunchy one. Okay. So the third dosa is also over. I'm just folding it and putting in your place. And this time I will not do any kind of accidents.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for teaching me.
What about one more?
One more you want me to make?
Yeah, how many did you do? And you guys, thank you guys for watching. My mom did super good.
Thank you so much, Shreem, for teaching me how to do it.
I know how to tell you because I always see mommy cook.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much.
That's why I know so much.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.